Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of to-do lists and project management tools? You're not alone. The modern workplace is a whirlwind of communication channels, deadlines, and scattered tasks. It's no wonder productivity software has become a multi-billion-dollar industry. But with countless options on the market, is there a single solution that truly reigns supreme? Today, we're diving deep into ClickUp, a project management platform that's been making serious waves. With a rapidly growing user base and a recent funding round that puts its valuation over $1 billion, whispers of unicorn status are swirling. But is ClickUp all it's cracked up to be? Or is it just another flashy contender in a crowded field? From humble beginnings to Silicon Valley darling, ClickUp's story starts in 2017, the brainchild of Zeb Evans. Tired of the limitations of existing project management tools, Evans set out to create a platform that was truly flexible and customizable. The idea resonated. ClickUp quickly gained traction, particularly with remote teams struggling to stay organized and collaborative. Their all-in-one approach, offering features like task management, time tracking, communication tools, and even mind mapping, seemed to be the answer many were looking for. Fast forward to today, and ClickUp boasts an impressive user base, including heavy hitters like Google, Nike, and Netflix. The company's recent $100 million funding round solidified its position as a major player, placing it firmly in the coveted unicorn territory, a term used for startups valued at over $1 billion. ClickUp's allure, a feature feast. So what exactly makes ClickUp so alluring? Let's break down some of its key features. Customization is king. Unlike many rigid project management tools, ClickUp allows for a high degree of customization. Users can create custom views, workflows, and dashboards to perfectly suit their needs. No more trying to fit your square peg team into a round tool hole. Consolidation is key. ClickUp aims to be your one-stop shop for all things project management. From task lists and deadlines to time tracking and communication, it streamlines workflows by eliminating the need to jump between multiple platforms. Collaboration made easy. ClickUp fosters a collaborative environment with features like real-time editing, document sharing, and in-app chat. Teams can stay on the same page, eliminating confusion and missed deadlines. Accessibility for all. ClickUp is available on a variety of devices, making it easy for teams to stay connected and productive on the go. Whether on desktop, laptop, or mobile, your tasks are always at your fingertips. The flip side, is ClickUp a one-size-fits-all solution? Now, while ClickUp boasts a plethora of features, it's not without its potential downsides. Here are some things to consider before diving in. A learning curve. ClickUp's robust functionality can be intimidating for new users. The sheer number of features can lead to a bit of a learning curve. Feature overload. With so much packed into one platform, there's a risk of feature overload. For less complex projects, ClickUp's robust features might be overkill. Pricing nuances. ClickUp offers a freemium model, but some of the more advanced features are locked behind paid tiers. This can be a deciding factor for smaller teams or individual users. So, is ClickUp a unicorn? ClickUp's impressive growth, loyal user base, and recent funding round undeniably position it as a major force in the project management landscape. Its commitment to customization, collaboration, and all-in-one functionality makes it a compelling option for teams of all sizes. However, ClickUp isn't a magic bullet. The learning curve and potential for feature overload are important considerations. Ultimately, the unicorn status depends on your specific needs. ClickUp might be the perfect fit for you if your team craves a high degree of customization and flexibility. You manage complex projects with multiple moving parts. Collaboration and communication are top priorities. On the other hand, you might be better off looking elsewhere if you need a simple, straightforward tool for basic project management. Your team is small and doesn't require a ton of features. You're on a tight budget and the freemium model doesn't offer enough functionality. ClickUp is a powerful and versatile project management platform with a lot to offer. But remember, there's no single unicorn solution. Take the time to evaluate your team's needs and explore all the options before making